kids are researching, designing, developing, and building scale model sustainable greenhouses.
Currently we're making the scale model of it, and I think that's the best part so far, because we were actually making materials, recycling materials, and trying to see how we could build the house in math class. And I think that kind of stuff is the thing I enjoy most.
Design thinking can allow students a lot more freedom, creativity, innovation, planning, critical thinking, problem solving, and even that just the basics of how do I work in a group.
What we have been looking for are opportunities to really focus on interdisciplinary connections with the 6th grade. And so what we were looking for is ways that we can incorporate science, we can incorporate social studies, we can incorporate math.
Main goal that I wanted students to get out of the project was relating to and connecting to people outside of themselves. We've spent a lot of time talking about different global issues, and it's easy to think of them versus us. And one of the main goals of this project was having them close that gap.
I really like doing this project this way because you're learning about a country, but you're also learning how to engineer and stuff, which is really fun. So I really was interested in the building and taking our family's needs and putting them into a house.
It's challenging the students to think beyond those divisional walls, that math doesn't just happen in a math class, but to solve a problem like bringing clean water to a village that doesn't have it, that takes math.
There are certain kids who love science, and there's kids that love math, and those that are really interested in social studies and language arts. So in all of those academic areas, kids in a group can really work together and come out with an excellent product.
With design thinking and the more interdisciplinary aspects of this, we wanted the challenge to be a little bit more open-ended and not feel so teacher-driven project, but rather very much teachers and students kind of working through this challenge, this process to discover all sorts of new learnings along the way.
I really liked building it. I thought that was fun to see the ideas that we've been working on for 2 weeks come to life and to see how it actually has turned out.
We wanted to learn empathy about the people of the planet itself, that this is a big planet. Kids are coming from all different aspects of life, and we wanted them to be able to look out into the communities and seeing how other people live and how we can relate to one another.
My definition of empathy is to put yourself in another person's shoes, to feel what they feel and try to get to know them. We've gotten to know the people that we're helping, the family of 4.
I sort of turn off the water now when I brush my teeth or take a shorter shower, because I realized like there's, for Ecuador, we were trying to reuse the water because we just don't want to take all of it, even though there is a lot of rain. We want to be sustainable so there's enough for everyone.
When you finally come together and build your house, because you have to know kind of the math aspects and the social studies aspects and kind of all the language arts, all 3 of those classes combined. It just makes the whole project in the end easier because you have all those skill sets.